This wall is 2 feet thick. There's 4 inches of lead right about here, around here, because anything perpendicular or near perpendicular to the beam, that's the shortest path they can get through, so you need extra protection. This is our shielding. Basically, the #1 training you take when you get here is don't touch anything that you don't know about. All right, because if you take anything apart, you will be fired, in a heartbeat. Okay, so there's a magnet there. Electrons are going that way. X-rays are coming this way. So what we have is we have a shutter, shutters on the inside, shutters on the outside. In case the control room says, we don't want to give you light or you're not ready, then we can block it off. Okay, they're also there for another reason. You see all these windows and flanges and everything like that. If there's a leak and the pressure goes from 10 to the minus 10 to 10 to the minus 7, it's an open path all the way to the ring. So what will happen is that the transducers change, and go up in pressure, then all of a sudden this will close in a millisecond. These shutters will close in a millisecond. And so if you flood your beam line with air, that's great. There's 39 other beam lines, you're offline, that's too bad. But if you flood the ring with air, we shut down. And we did this before Christmas of last year, is that our ring went to atmospheric pressure. It took us over a week to get back to full power because you don't want the X-rays or the electrons running into anything, because if they run into something, they're powerful enough, they will give off radiation in a Bremsstrahlung type of radiation. They will give off in a spherical thing. So now radiation's coming at where you don't believe it because it's running into things. So now what happens is you come through here and you come and you have the X-rays coming down here, and the main thing I want to see is what's that? What is this? It's a monochromator. What's a monochromator? You guys know monochromator, right? Mono means one, chromator means color.
Una.
Think of a prism. You still put sunlight to a prism. I think Newton did this in like 1620, something like that.